Hi, my name is José Alexander Fernández Carazas. I live in Cajamarca, Peru. Today I'm going to describe a typical week in my life. On weekdays, I usually wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. First, I get up and get ready for work. Then I have the then I have breakfast and leave my house at around 7 7 a.m. In the morning, I work for a construction company. I usually check plans, supervise activities, and make reports. I sometimes have meetings with my team, and I have to solve problems on site. In the afternoon, I study civil engineer and I take notes, and do assignment days. I often have a lot of homework, so I have to manage my time carefully. Sometimes I don't have much free time because I am busy with work and study. In the evening, I usually go back home and have dinner. After that, I do my homework and review my notes. I rarely go out on weekdays because I need to rest. At night, I go to the bed at around 11 p.m. On weekends, my routine is different. I don't wake up early. I usually get up late and relax. I like to play soccer with my friends. We have a good time and enjoy the games. Sometimes I go out with my girlfriend and we have dinner together. I often spend time with my family and sometimes I study a lot, but not too much. Overall, my week is busy but productive. I work, study, and also make time to relax and enjoy life. Thank you.